today we're going to do a makeup reset video. I will be organizing all of my beauty supply store eyeshadow palettes. This is not all of my beauty supply store eyeshadow palettes. This is mainly like the smaller ones. I do have a few more that I'm going to organize in another section, but this top drawer right here, I want to put all of these palettes up here. I mainly have Ruby Kisses, Nika K. I have some Magic Collection, Absolute New York. So I'm going to start off putting my Ruby Kisses palettes on this side. So let me gather all of them. I'm going to put these three down first. These are the three I don't really grab that much. I have Coral, I have Agate, and Jade. So I'm going to go ahead and put these down first. I do want to kind of dive into these for fall. I have the Ruby Kisses Candy Pop. I have Mint Gum. I have Red Velvet. This is so pretty for fall and the winter time. Grape Jelly. I have Madagascar Forest. These are my favorite right here. So I have Pumpkin Spice. I have Creme Brulee. If you don't get nothing else, get the Ruby Kisses Creme Brulee. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is the best one. And Pumpkin Spice is good too. And then I got Malibu Sunrise. So those are all of my Ruby Kisses palettes. I do have these Ruby Kisses glitter palettes, so I only have two of these though, so I don't know if I want to put this right here or just put this with my glitters. I'm probably just going to put these with my glitters. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the Absolute New York Bouncy eyeshadow palettes. This one is Rose. And then this one is, I think it's Cafe. Yeah, this one is Cafe. Since it fits right here perfectly, we're just going to leave that right there. Oh, I got one more. I got Waikiki Beach. Let me see. Put that there. Okay. So next, I'm gonna go in with Magic Collection. You can find, I don't know if you can still find these at the beauty store. You probably can, but I had these for a few years. But y'all, these are so good. These remind me of the Huda Beauty 9-pan palettes when she used to come out with those. But these are the Magic Collection Safari palettes. As you guys can see, they're really, really old. These are newer than the Safari. So these are the Canon ones. So the Safari ones are on the warmer side. So yeah. So I'm going to put those down. And my favorite one is Giraffe. This is the Giraffe one. And then we have the Canyon palettes. And these are very, very pigmented. I'm going to scoot these back. And then I think the next thing I'm going to do is put down these Nika K palettes. Nika K Jungle Haze. Got the Wild palette. This is a matte palette. And then I got the Ruby Drop palette. Oh, and then I got the Sahara Gold. So maybe I'll leave it like that. That's cute. All right, then I have these Nika K palettes. I don't really reach for these, but I'm going to keep them. This is the Rose Latte palette, the Goldie Glam, and the Malibu Nights. Maybe I'll leave those like this. And then I have these. This one is my favorite, the peach one. This is the Nika K Peach palette. Got Blue Hawaii. I got Lilac Twinkle. I got Lime Mojito. So pretty. All right, and then last but not least, we have all of these. So I have Nika K Ocean Eyes. I have Watermelon Splash and Oh Honey. This palette, the Watermelon Splash, is not good. I don't think I want to keep it. It just didn't perform well on the eyes to me. And I don't reach for it. Let's declutter that because I'm not going to use that. And then I got the Lucky Charm. This one is one of my favorites. And then the Ocean Eyes because I love blue and green eyeshadow. Sugar Plum. We got Under the Sea. Mocha Mix. And Birthday Cake. Poison Apple. This palette is so pigmented. You can use this as a blush and eyeshadow palette. All right, and then last but not least, I got pumpkin spice. I'm gonna put that in the front. Kind of want these to kind of stand up like so. So I'm gonna put, yeah, that's what I want. I wanted these palettes right here to kind of be leaning like that. So right here I have the Absolute New York palettes. There are 4 palettes in this collection, but I only have 2 Ruby Kisses palettes to the front, to the back. And then I have my Magic Collection palettes back there. Nika K palettes in the front. I have some more Nika K palettes on the side. And then I have some Nika K palettes right here, the little smaller ones. And then I have a little space. I have some room to grow. So yeah, this is the first drawer, and then I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with the other drawers. But I knew for a fact I wanted to put like my main beauty supply store palettes up here, because I really want to start just diving into these palettes a little bit more. Fall is coming, spooky season is coming, and I want to use some of these colors. Like this is perfect for spooky season if I want to do like a colorful Halloween look. This is nice. Like I got colors. Okay, come back for another makeup reset. I will be doing the rest of the drawers. I'm super excited to reset my makeup collection for this upcoming season. So if you guys need to declutter and organize, go ahead and start doing so. Have me playing in the background while you're doing it, and let's organize our makeup together. If you all are new here, make sure you guys subscribe if you like what you see on my whole entire channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Come back for some more makeup organization videos, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.